We are in Bridgeland Central. This is the David Weekley Hoover plan, 2978 square feet. Asking price is $600,000 for 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Okay, here we walk in. We've got the office study at the front with the double glass doors. Half bath, family area and kitchen.
There it is.
And that would be your dining space. And let's look here. One thing that they've done on all of these plans, the garages, this one's got a 2-car garage, but they put a second opening on the garage so that when you're entertaining, you could have access to the garage here, which is a nice feature. And that's just another door to the garage there. So this one's gonna have all the bedrooms up. I just slip my shoes off real quick so I can go up the stairs faster. Okay, now we're at the top of the landing. We've got an open game room area here.
The primary is huge.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the secondary bath. Secondary bedroom.
Look at all the light in the laundry room.
This is the laundry.
This is the laundry.
Wow.
Isn't that nice?
Very nice. Yes, this is a fantastic size.
Huge. It's huge.
Yes. It's got the super shower. And the main shower head.
This closet is wider than the others we saw.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Plenty of closet space. And then look at all those windows. Okay, so primary is bedroom 1. Around this corner was bedroom 2 with its full bath. Then you've got the study here. Then we have bedrooms 3 and 4. And it looks like they've got a bath between them. Closet space. Oh, this one's got the double vanity. And the tile goes all the way up to the ceiling.
That one's a Jack and Jill.
So Jack and Jill, okay. Yeah, this is great. You can see some of the plans have balconies. Okay, this was the Hoover, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 2,978 square feet. And the asking price on this one is $600,000 in Bridgeland Central. Okay, I just wanted to do one last run through here to show you these appliances. This is a really nice stove and oven, monogram 6-burner, and a really nice vent hood too. And then you've got the champagne hardware on the cabinets here. So I'll come back here. You can see the kitchen. Beautiful.